In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group in Looker Studio. Grasping the vast world of data can often feel like navigating a complex maze. Yet with tools like Looker Studio, this journey becomes not just manageable, but also insightful. One of the powerful features it offers is the ability to group your data, which can significantly enhance your data analysis and visualization experiences. Today, I will guide you through this process step by step. Let's start by heading to the Looker Studio's homepage. You'll find it by entering this URL into your browser, https://lookerstudio.google.com/. Once you're there, you can either sign in if you already have an account, or opt to use it for free if you're new to Looker Studio. New users will be prompted to enter an email address followed by a password. Returning users can directly log in with their credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Looker Studio home. From here, the world of data visualization opens up to you. You will see various options, but for our current purpose, go ahead and select Marketing Report or any existing report or dataset you want to modify. To start editing your chosen report, click on the Edit button, which will switch you into the editing mode, enabling you to make changes to your report. Once you're in editing mode, select the specific part of the report you want to work on by clicking on it. Now for the crux of today's tutorial, grouping your data, look for the option titled Add a Field and click on it. This action will open a new window where you will see the option to Add Group. Click on it to proceed to the next step. In this new window, you'll be presented with fields from your data set. Firstly, click on New Field Name to specify a name for the group you're creating. This is an essential step because a descriptive name will help you quickly identify this group in future analyses. Next, select the Selected Field to Group By option. Here you will choose the fields that you want to include in your group. This step is where your analytical skills shine, as the fields you select will determine how your data is aggregated and interpreted. Once you've selected the fields, it's time to highlight them. This step ensures that the fields are ready to be grouped together under the name you've chosen earlier. After highlighting, you will input a group name. Remember, a good group name is clear and descriptive, reflecting the essence of the grouped data. Almost there, click on the Include button to confirm the fields you're grouping together. This action finalizes the selection and moves you a step ahead. Finally, set the condition for your group if needed. Conditions can be used to include or exclude specific data points based on criteria you define. After setting your condition, save your progress. Depending on the interface, you might see either a save or done option. Click it to finalize the grouping process. And with that, you've successfully grouped data in Looker Studio. This feature doesn't just streamline your data, it opens doors to more profound insights by allowing you to categorize data points meaningfully. Whether you're analyzing marketing performance, sales trends, or customer behavior, grouping data can help you discern patterns, compare categories, and make informed decisions. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to explore different grouping combinations, play around with conditions, and observe how these affect your data visualizations. The more you experiment, the more comfortable you'll become with this powerful feature. I hope this tutorial has demystified the process of grouping in Looker Studio for you, empowering you to dive deeper into your data analysis endeavors. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep visualizing your data in ways that uncover invaluable insights for your project or business. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.